Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we will be unboxing Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This one right here is the global edition bought from Lulu Web Store in Qatar. Brief specifications of the device is given at the back side of the box. We'll be seeing this in detail later. I thought of buying one more phone and checked the website, but the price was raised to 4000 Qatar Riyal. This phone is manufactured in Vietnam. So now let's break the seal and unbox. This is the catalog, and here is the SIM ejection tool. It has 6.8 inches HDR10 Plus dynamic AMOLED display with 91% screen to body ratio. The display has 1440 by 3040 pixels and 498 pixels per inch density. This one has a 4K front facing camera with maximum 60 frames per second. There is nothing on the right side of the phone. And on the left of the phone there are volume buttons and customizable power and Bixby button. Here is a SIM card tray with dual nano SIM slots, and the secondary slot is a hybrid one, so you can either use it for a SIM or for a memory card. A good thing is that this supports up to 1 TB memory card, and you don't need to worry about moving your old photos and videos to free up phone storage. Next one is the speaker, and the pin hole next to it is a microphone. At the bottom it has one more microphone, a USB 3.1 Type-C port, speaker grills, and then the S Pen. This phone doesn't have a 3.5mm audio jack, so you will have to use Type-C headphones. At the back we have the quadruple camera. The first one is a 16 megapixel ultra wide camera with a field of view of 123 degrees. Second one is a standard wide angle camera with a field of view of 77 degrees. And the third one is a 12 megapixel telephoto camera. It has a field of view of 45 degrees. And next to it is a depth vision camera with a VGA camera on the top and an infrared sensor below it. And there is a flashlight on top of the depth vision. It comes with a 25 watts super fast charging adapter. The phone actually supports 45 watts fast charging, but that charger is to be bought separately. And then we have Type C to A OTG. There is USB Type C to C data transfer cable. And then a Type C AKG earphones. This is currently running on Android version 10 and One UI version 2.5. This is application that we have developed and uploaded in Play Store. This dictionary is a very basic one and there are many features yet to be added. Let's try searching something. You can see the battery level indicator of your S Pen at the top of the air command. Now, talking about the S Pen, we have most of the key features continued from the Note 9, like the Bluetooth functionality and using the S Pen as the camera remote. Apart from it, the successor has a major upgrade with 6-axis motion sensor, including accelerometer and gyroscope. And when you move the S Pen, you can see the icon showing what gesture it has recognized. While using various applications, if you notice Air command marked in blue, it means that the application supports air gestures. So if you open up Air command, you can see all the available air actions for that particular application. So in addition to using your S Pen as a remote control with the press of a button, you can now use just a control to make your phone act without even touching it. Now in the notification panel, you can easily use reverse wireless charging to charge other devices with Note 10 Plus. Also, you can scan QR codes right away from the notification panel. Another really great feature is that the inbuilt screen recording with device audio and microphone audio. These screen recording tools are elevated from the screen and will not be recorded in the actual video. You can also write at the same time and you don't necessarily need a S Pen for that. There's also a pointer and you can use the S Pen to hover it on screen. Also, you can add an overlay of your webcam, and these are really useful for presentations or recording Android gaming videos. Now on the top you can see the power menu to shut down the device. If you open the folder, you can customize the color gradient of the folder. Connecting the device to computer will automatically launch the Samsung DeX if you already have it installed. And you will get a very convenient desktop user interface, including a taskbar, which are really useful for multitasking. Now on the bottom left of the taskbar, you can see there is application menu, recent applications and back button. And on the bottom right, we have regular notifications and device status such as battery, Wi-Fi, flight mode, etc. Even the keyboard is synced appropriately with the Note 10 Plus, and pressing the Windows key will open up the application menu. Here you can click and hold to an icon to move applications and right click on it to uninstall the application. Another useful feature is that you can easily drag and drop files from your computer environment to your Note 10 Plus using Samsung DeX. You can also control all the features of the phone such as location, Bluetooth, flashlight, camera, etc. using Samsung DeX. Now to exit, you need to go to the application menu and click Exit DeX at the bottom left of the screen. You can also connect your phone directly to your TV using wireless display. For that, you need to go to the notification panel and tap on DeX. And then you have to select the device. Now this will mirrorcast Samsung DeX to the TV, and you can use your Android device as a touchpad. That's all for today. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.